So question number 1 from the exercise 6.1. Here, what will be the unit digits of the squares of the following numbers? Here 81 ending with 1. So the unit digit is 1. Here 272 ending with 2. So square ending with 4. 799 it's ending with a 9, so its square ending with a 1. Then fourth one 3853, the number ending with a 3, so the square ending with a 9. Then 1234, the number ending with a 4, its square ending with a 6. 26387, the number ending with a 7, so its square ending with a 9. 52698, its square ending with 4 since the number is ending with 8. Then 99880, the number ending with 0, so its square also ending with 0. 12796, its number ending with 6, so its square also ending with 6. Then last one, all numbers are 5 and also ending with 5, its square also ending with 5. Second question, the following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. Give reason. Here we want to check whether the numbers are ending with that particular numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. But here the number is ending with 0, but here 3 zeros are there. A square number containing 0, that should be even number of zeros. Here the question is 6400, that is a perfect square, but it is 64,000. Here number of zeros are 3. That means this number is not a perfect square. The same way 2,22,000 also, the number of zeros are 3. In a square number, and if it is containing 0, that should be even number of zeros. For example, 10 square. In 10 only 1 0, but in 10 square 2 zeros. 20 square is 400. Number of zeros is 2 in 400. Like that. Then the squares of which of the following would be odd numbers? So first one 431. It's clearly ending with 1, so it is an odd number. 2826, it is not an odd number since the number ending with a 6. The next one 7779, the number ending with a 9, so its square also ending with a 9 and it's an odd number. The next 8200, 82,004, that square also not ending with an odd number. I think you will get the idea and complete the question. Let us continue the fourth question. Observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. Here, first one 11 square, it is 121. Then 101 square 10201. Then 1001 square 1002001. According to the number of zeros in the question, we want to add the zeros. Here no zeros in between 1 and 1, that is 11 square, no zeros are there, so it is 121. Here 101 square 10 is there, so we want to put 0 after 1, that is 10, then write 2, then again 10, then 1. Then 1001, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, so it is 1, 2 zeros, 2, again 2 zeros, 1. Then which is the next number and find out the number of zeros. So here 4 numbers are there, 4 zeros are there, so we want to write 4 zeros here, then write 2, then again 4 zeros, then 1. So we want to write the number of zeros in between 1 and 2, then put again zeros, then 1. So this is the way we want to write the square. Let us look into Fifth question. Observe the following pattern and supply the missing numbers. 11 square is 121. 101 square is 10201. Then next question. 10101, that is 10,101 square. Here the same as we discussed in this question, we want to put zeros, but the difference is 1 0, then not 0, we want to write 2, again 0, then 3, again 0, 2, then 0, 1. How many ones are here? 3 ones, that we want to write here in the middle. Here how many ones are there? 2 ones. Then here how many ones are there? 4. So we want to write 40 in the middle. So we want to start 10, 20, 30, 40, then again 30, 20, like that. So here question is not given, but we know the middle number is 550, so we want to put 5 ones, that is 10, 10, 10, 10 1 square. Here 4 ones are there, we want to write here 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 21. Here the reverse process, we want to check the middle value. Middle value here it is 50, that means here instead of these 4 ones, here it will be 5 ones. Then we want to look into the next question. Sixth question, using the given pattern find the missing numbers. Here 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Some numbers are missing. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 5, again 5 plus 4 9, that is 3 square. Then next 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, that is 7 square. Now we find the value. Let us go through all the pattern. Then 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square. What is it? That is 13 square. Then here what will be the answer? 4 square plus 5 square plus 20 square will be there, and the answer is 21 square. Here how we can find that? 1 square plus 2 square, then it is 2 square is the third term, so 1 into 2 is 2. Here 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, then how we get 6 from 2 and 3? So 2 into 3, 6. So 6 square, which is equal to 7 square. Here 3 square plus 4 square, then 3 into 4, 12, then adding 12 square with this one, then we will get 13 square. Here 4 square plus 5 square, so 4 into 5, 20, adding 20 square with this, then we will get 21 square. Then same way, how we get the middle value? 5 square plus dash square plus 30 square. So how we get 30 from 5? So 5 into 6. So we want to write 6 square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. Here what about the last one? 6 square plus 7 square plus 42 square equal to 43 square. Then without adding, that is the seventh question. Without adding, find the sum. We already studied sum of odd numbers. First we want to add the first two odd numbers. What will be the answer? That is 1 plus 3 is 4. That is 2 square. If we are adding first three odd numbers, we will get 3 square. If we are adding first 4 odd numbers, we will get 4 square. Here how many odd numbers are there? That is first 5 odd numbers, that is 5 square. Here how many odd numbers are adding? That we want to check. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10 square. This is the way we can complete the third question also.